Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create an Amazon gift list. Whether you are planning for a special occasion or just want to share gift ideas with your friends and family, this guide will make the process easy. First of all, open your Amazon app, make sure that you have already logged in. On your screen, you can see profile icon in bottom left, tap on it. There you can see list on the screen, tap on it. Now we can see plus button in top right corner, tap on it to create list. Then scroll down, there you will see create a registry or gift list, tap on it. Here you could see a list of occasion. Choose the gift list from the option. I'm going to choose graduation. Now fill all the details for the gift list. First is your first name and last name. Second is name your gift list. And there's a question, when are you celebrating? If you know the date, keep the exact date. And if you don't know the date yet, pick the estimated date. Let's move on. Then there's where are you celebrating? You can type the city over here. This is optional, so I'm leaving it. And tap on state. Tap the state that you are in. And then tap on next. Then on step 2, you will be asked the address where the gifts will be set. Here you can select or add new address to. I already have address there, so I'm going to select the address. Then there are two options over there. Share my address with the sellers to allow gift to be saved to my address. You have to tick this up because seller have to know the address in order to send the gift. And second one is let gift givers send additional gifts not included in registry to my shipping address. Check this one too. And tap on next. On third step, you will be asked that if you want to see what's happened purchased from gift list or not, you can keep it surprise or you can show that to yourself so you would be aware that the gift have been purchased. I'm going to keep it surprise and then tap on next. And last is your gift list privacy. Here are 3 privacy settings. First one is public, anyone can see the gift list. Second one is shareable, only the people with the link can see the gift list, but it will not be searchable. And third one is private, only you can see the gift list. I'm going to keep it public. Now tap on create. Once your gift list is set up, it's time to add the items. You can add the items from add gifts. You can simply browse Amazon as you normally would, and when you find something you want, click on add to the list button. And that's it. Creating an Amazon gift list is quick, easy and great way to organize your gift ideas. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.